Alright, y'all, welcome back to another video. Thank y'all for tuning back. Tripping at gas station today. Anyways, welcome back to another video today, guys. Today I'm going to be going to the track today. I'm taking the Beamer to the track today, to OSW. So I won't be driving the car today though, but I'm taking it to OSW. Today's a private day, and I'm gonna take the car up there just to take it. I haven't got nothing else to do today, and I need to be at the track more anyway. Now I'm gonna be taking this car to the track, but like I said, I'm not gonna be driving the car today. I'm just gonna be taking it. I'm gonna be watching everybody else. I got a couple buddies out there that's drifting at the track today. I'm gonna see if I can get like an in-car view of one of them, or I don't know, something like that. We'll figure it out. But I'm at the gas station right now. Just filled up on gas. I'm about to take that trip, so I guess I'll see you guys when I get there. Alright, so I just made it here. I got my baby parked up. Look at those fresh brand new tires for nothing. Can't even fucking use them bitches. There's some old dudes just pulled up though. Right now they got some kind of, I'm gonna show you guys. This is a Lamborghini right there. They got some kind of foreign day over here. Lamborghinis and Ferraris. Somebody bought out the section for a little bit, but they about to leave in about 20 minutes. They about to leave, and then got some more drift boys just pulled up. Z, another Z, another Z. There go my dog Logan, he just pulled up. Yo! Some more Z. Right, so I guess I'll get out now, get some AC, cause it's hot as finna. You know, we in Florida. I think they probably gonna put them on that truck though. This thing's clean. That big ass white trailer over there is Logan. He's sliding his car today. You ready?
Shit, we gonna see.
Yeah, we gonna see. All right, we finally getting ready to get on the track. I thought all these Lamborghinis and shit getting off. Damn, I can't wait to drive my baby. Yes, sir. I'm trying to get quiet like y'all.
For real.
Y'all quiet. I'm definitely keeping my G quiet though. He's sliding that bitch. That rubber. It's out of my eyes.
Standing right now.
240s. That's boosted too.
I pulled out because my car fucking got hot as shit and it went to lit mode.
Oh really? It's all over here.
What happened?
So I just came to sit in the car for a little bit. I'm finna eat some fruit roll up and drink some water because it's hot as hell out here. But yeah, I really wish I could drive my car right now. I'll probably go out there and look stupid, but I don't care, bro. I just want to drive my car. My lens dirty. Anyways, yeah, I don't really care. I just want to go drive. Logan's car is overheating at the moment. Okay, so we currently just put the GoPro in here. So I forgot my other stand, so I'm leaving it here and see how it looks when he goes to go slide the car. Hopefully it looks nice. This shit looks nice. Whoa, zoomed in too far. Damn, that's a Civic. A hatch. There's Corey.
I'm gonna see if my car's good.
See if it's overheating still. Good now?
Well, it doesn't say hot. Can you shut that door? Make sure that door shuts.
I got water if you need to cool it down.
Nah, we'll see.
Oh, let me start this. You about to go out there right now?
Yeah, I'm about to go.
Let me start this camera. In the car.
Are you ready?
Ready.
feeling pretty, like my runs feel good. You know what I'm saying? Like,
you did real good that one.
Yeah.
And I know I'm heavy, so.
And actually, it really does kind of change like how the car feels.
Right, yeah,
like
I know.
riding with a passenger.
Yep.
Oh, hell.
Car's overheating, a little bit of overheating issues. We just put some water back in it. Should cool it down now. Corey's done. At least you got it up there. All right, y'all, so that's gonna be it for that video. I did not end the video that day because it got late, it got dark, and I had a couple other things to do later on that night, so I actually forgot to end the video. But anyways, yeah, that's it for that video. Thank you all for watching. I hope to make some more videos like that for you guys very soon. I gotta get a helmet and a couple other things so that I can drive on the track. So I'm waiting for my helmet to come in, and then once my helmet come in, I'll start taking that Beamer to the track, and I'll start sliding it at the track too, so that you guys can see me actually get some passes at the track. My first time. Y'all can watch me look stupid and spin out a million times. But with that being said, thank you all for watching as usual. I'll catch y'all on the next one.